Hello and welcome back to our channel. I take it you're here to reprogram your door opener in your car. In my case, it's a Lincoln 2012. Okay, driving home and I need the garage door open. So let's come on in and see how we can figure out how to do that. Now, if your car is like mine, you just bought it from a previous owner, remote will be programmed to his garage. So the first thing you do, basically you're going to hold the outside and the inside buttons and hold them in simultaneously. Hold them in at the same time until the light starts blinking. There, they're blinking. So now that means that the previous owner's program is been erased. If you have a remote you've been using, one that's, I don't have one with me, but the one that you kind of put up on your visor, like from another car, this instructions is how to program these buttons here in your visor using those instructions. And then if you want to program these ones only, I'll have instructions for those as well. Fast forward to that instruction if you don't have an existing remote. So basically, if you have a remote that you want to get rid of and use these ones instead, what you want to do is you want to push this button down and the button on your remote that opens your garage door at the same time for a few seconds until this light blinks a couple times. And of course, I don't have a external remote to do it with, but that was the instructions that I understand to use. And then if it don't work the first time around, you go ahead and repeat that. But what happens is the green, or that light up there on that button, will turn green, and then when it starts blinking real fast, then it should jump the frequency from your remote over into your sun visor. Okay, now if you don't have an existing remote, what you want to do is go in your garage. So you want to make sure your garage door is open and outside. Your car outside, reach up here and hit the find button. You can see the light's green. And while your car is outside, we want to go in and push the button that you want to program and hold it. Let go. Hold it. And let go. And you can see the light went out. Now let's see if the garage door works. And there it goes. First try, that worked. See, that's all it is. That's just so simple, so simple. Just seconds. So let's repeat. If that doesn't work, go into your garage, push the purple button or whatever button it is on the back side of your remote and hold it for a few seconds. Walk back out to your car and then push and hold the button you want to open the garage door with, and then hold it for a few seconds and release. And then push the button and see if it works. Let's try it again. Okay, we'll go up and we'll hit this button. And there opens the garage door. So there you have it. Hope you learned something. Give the channel a thumbs up on your way out, and if you're interested in this kind of content in the future, no matter what it is, just go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell on your way out. And until then, have a great day.